When we are asked to calculate percentage change, we're given two numbers and we need to work out by what percentage the first one has changed to get to the second one. So in this question, it says in 2010, the average UK salary was £26,000. In 2016, the average UK salary was £27,500. Work out the percentage change in the average UK salary and give your answer to one decimal place. So to calculate percentage change, we can use a formula, and the formula is change over original times 100. So how much it's changed by, what the difference is between the new and the old, the new and the original, divide by the original, and times by 100 to make it a percentage. So in this case, the change is the new minus the old. So 27,500 take away 26,000 divided by the original, and that's 26,000, times by 100 to make it a percentage. So we can type this into the calculator and get our answer to one decimal place. So fraction button first, 27,500 take away 26,000 divided by the original, 26,000. So change over original times 100. And I want an answer to one decimal place. I've been given a fraction, so I'm going to press my S to D button. And to one decimal place, well, I've got 5.76. So to one decimal place, it's 5.8, because the next numbers are 5 or above, so it kicks up the 7 to an 8. So 5.8%. So 5.8% to one decimal place. So percentage change, change over original times 100. So here's a question for you to try. Pause the video, give it a go, and press play when you're ready for the answer. Okay, so in 2007, the average house price in the UK was £230,000. In 2016, the average house price in the UK was £255,000. Work out the percentage change in the average house price. Again, give your answer to one decimal place. So we're going to do the change over the original times 100. So the change is the new minus the old. So it's going to be 255,000 minus 230,000 over the original, which is 230,000 times 100. Change over original times 100. So we'll type it into the calculator. 255,000 take away 230,000 over 230,000 times 100. And again, S to D button, that gives us our percentage in decimal, one decimal place. So the number after one decimal place is 5 or above, so it kicks up again. So we've got 10.9 this time, 10.9%. Okay, another example. So percentage change can also be written. You can also be asked for percentage loss or percentage profit, and that means the same thing. If you get asked for profit or loss, It just means percentage change. So we do the change over the original times 100. So in this example, someone bought a car for £12,000. They sold the car a year later for £9,000. Work out the percentage loss. So we're going to do change over original times 100. So the change is the new minus the old. So I'm going to put 9,000, take away 12,000. So change over the original. The original was 12,000 and times 100. So again, type it in the calculator. So fraction button, new minus original over the original times 100. So I've got minus 25. So the percentage change is minus 25%. So it's gone down. It's gone from 12,000 down to 9,000. So it's been reduced by 25%. So I've got a negative answer, but the percentage loss is just, we can just call that 25%, because we've lost 25% of the value. Okay, a question for you to try. So pause the video, give it a go, and press play when you're ready. A shop buys chocolate bars for 38p each. The shop sells the chocolate bars for 65p each. To the nearest whole number, work out the percentage profit. So percentage profit is again percentage change. So it's change over original times 100. So the new is 65. Take away the original, which is 38, over the original, which is 38, times 100. And we're going to type it into the calculator. 65 minus 38 over 38 times 100. And the nearest whole number is 71. 71.0 is closest to 71. So that's 71% profit. If you add 71% onto 38, you get 65. Okay, to finish up, 2 questions. So pause the video, give them a go, and press play when you're ready for the answers. Question 1. In 2010, petrol cost £1.12 per litre. In 2019, petrol cost £1.26 per litre. Work out the percentage change in the price of petrol between 2010 and 2019. So we're going to do change over original times 100, or new minus original over original times 100, and type it into the calculator. So how much it's changed by over the original times 100. 1.26 minus 1.12 over 1.12 times 100. And that's 12.5%. So the percentage change is 12.5%. So if you add 12.5% on to 1.12, you get 1.26. And question 2. A company's share price in January was 256p. In March, the share price was 228p. Work out the percentage change in the share price. Give your answer to 1 decimal place. So we're going to do change over original times 100. So new minus old is the change. So 228 minus 256. The original is 256 times 100. And again, type it into the calculator. So we've got 228 minus 256 over 256 times 100. We're giving our answer to one decimal place. We've got negative, it's gone down, so minus 10.93. So to one decimal place, minus 10.9. So the percentage change is minus 10.9%. So if you take 10.9% off of 256, you get to 228.